Thor washing machine and Persil Detergent 1907. In the early 20th century, technological innovations were transforming daily life in the United States and around the world. The introduction of electricity brought about significant changes, and one of the areas where this transformation was most pronounced was in household chores. This was an era when housewives were often responsible for time-consuming and physically demanding tasks like laundry, and innovations in technology aimed to make their lives easier. In 1907, the Hurley Machine Company of Chicago introduced the Thor washing machine, a significant leap forward in laundry technology. The Thor washing machine was an electric-powered appliance that allowed for more efficient and effective clothes washing. It replaced the labor-intensive and time-consuming hand washing of clothes with a more automated and convenient process. Around the same time in Dusseldorf, Germany, another breakthrough was taking place in the world of household cleaning. A company introduced the first commercially available household detergent, and it was named Persil. This detergent marked a departure from the traditional soap-based cleaning products that had been used for generations. It was formulated to be more effective at removing dirt and stains from clothing and other household items. The introduction of the Thor washing machine and Persil detergent had a profound impact on the lives of housewives and homemakers. It made the process of doing laundry more efficient, saving time and effort. This innovation was a reflection of the broader trend of technological advancements in the early 20th century, which aim to improve the quality of life for individuals and families by streamlining household tasks. The combination of electric washing machines and effective detergents like Persil helped lay the foundation for modern laundry practices, making it easier for people to keep their clothes clean and well-maintained. These innovations not only simplified domestic life, but also contributed to the evolving role of women in society, as they had more time to pursue other interests and activities outside of the home.